Shemai, the Fanners are finally here. I'm going to unbox this one, which is the Pee-wee bass, and I'll show you the Exosphere that arrived a little while ago in a moment. So yes, they have been a long time coming, and I've waited patiently. I didn't do an unboxing of the Exosphere. I'll explain why when I show you, but let's get this open and see what the Pee-wee bass is like. I knew the packaging was going to be really good. This is going to take a few minutes more. Bear with me. We're getting closer. We're there! Oh! I'm drowning in bubble wrap. Oh! Here we are. All right, let me just explain. I ordered these back in June, July for my 50th birthday. That means it's officially over now if all my presents have actually got here. So this is a Fanner Electric bass ukulele. Right, I can't wait any longer. Let's just get it open. It's been a long day in work. So I ordered 2 instruments. Oh, yes. Oh, okay. I ordered 2 instruments, a matching pair. This is oh. Okay, right. This is a Fanner Pee-wee bass in sparkling purple, but it's also fretless. Okay, this is one of the reasons why I knew mine were going to take quite a long time, because I wanted something quite specific. I'm just looking at the label here, which is saying String Joy, instrument strings. Sorry, that's going to have to come off straight away. Super careful. Oh, I will be plugging it in shortly. Right, let's have a little look. The lighting in here, I do not think is going to do it justice today. I will have to do some close-up shots and get it in some natural daylight. So, there we go. Are we ready? I don't think that light is actually helping much. Oh my word. Oh. So this is my Fanner Pee-wee bass, which matches my Fanner Exosphere. So it's like a mini Strat and a mini precision bass they've both matching paintwork, matching scratch guards in pearl white, and matching ebony fingerboards. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tune this one up in a minute, and then I'm just going to plug them in. I've had this, let me explain. Right, I'll put this one down for a minute. I knew they were going to come separately. They prefer shipping them like that, not a problem. And the Exosphere arrived maybe 2 weeks ago. I'd had an awful day in school. I got home, it was here. I knew it was arriving. I just, whatever reason, I can't actually remember, I did not have time to do the unboxing video. All right, so I thought, well, I'll introduce that when I unbox this one. I've had a little play of the actual uke, the Exosphere. Obviously, I haven't played this one at all, so I'm just looking at the colour a minute. So I will plug them both in and give you a little demonstration today, and then obviously once I have a good play of them, I'll be doing full reviews as well. It is going to keep going out of tune, okay? As you've just seen, I've literally unboxed it. And I'm not actually sure yet of the tuning. I've just tuned it now to traditional bass, E, A, D, G. Brian Fanner, the inventor, maker, owner of Fanner Electric Ukuleles, suggests possibly tuning it slightly higher just because of the short scale. But for now, I just want to have a quick go of it, so that's something I will look at in the future. So So my main thing at the minute is, yes, it all works. As I said, it's got, it's fretless. It's got flat wound strings on it. It's got a double humbucker. There's actually two stacked on top of each other there. First time I've played like that. And I'm probably going to have to do a little bit of messing around just to see what this is like to play. Yeah. So it's going to take a little bit of getting used to. It's really nice to play, but very different to any of my other basses, whether they are solid body like this one or bass electric. Now this has got the magnetic pickups like a more traditional bass guitar, fixed bridge on the bottom, and this just gorgeous sparkly. So very quickly, let's show you the Exosphere. Got new straps for these two as well. Now, as I said, I have had this a week or so, but I have barely had a chance to play it. It's been not just manic in school. Tell you what, we'll turn this into a Rachel's Rambles, maybe number 7. Obviously, I'm not downstairs in my normal ramble room, and the reason for that is we're having some building work done. We are having a new kitchen and our utility rooms. There's some building work, there's knocking about, there's taking ceilings down, all sorts of stuff going on. So it's been completely manic. So that's why I haven't actually been able to film much uke stuff as such. The bass lessons I'd filmed a few weeks ago because I knew this was about to happen. So there's another 2 of those to come. And obviously I've done a couple of show us your ukes, but that's why I've been a little bit scarce in terms of actual ukulele stuff. I'm too excited. But this is the Fanner Electric Ukulele. It's the Exosphere model. It's a tenor scale. Again, I've got this beautiful purple sparkle. I'll have to take some photos, but it matches the bass perfectly. Okay, there we are, that's the back of it. So obviously to get inside for the string change, no, it's not for the string change, that's just to get inside for the electrics. So this is the Exosphere. I've got a pedal board down there, but I haven't actually plugged it through that for a minute. Let's just see what it sounds like completely clean. I've got no room. Whammy bar, wiggle stick, whatever you want to call it. 3 different pickups. We got obviously the selector is by there. Shape of the Strat. So it really is a mini version of the bass. Really, really quick. I'm gonna just very quickly put it through a couple of pedals. So just going back to my ramble for a minute or two. Thank you ever so much to everybody who has sent in entries for Show Us Your Ukes. I am loving seeing all these ukuleles. I already need more. And I'm also really enjoying the way people are setting out their ukulele collections. So please feel free. If you'd like to show us your ukes, there is a video that explains exactly how to do it. Right. Let's have a little listen to this. Clean signal. I've never had one of these before. I'm not even sure exactly how I use it, but I am loving the effect of it. So compressor, overdrive, or tube screamer, reverb. I don't even know what the settings are. Okay, let's get rid of that for a minute. So that is enough for me right now. I've got 101 other jobs I've got to go and do, unfortunately, like get rid of a layer of dust like that in the house. So the fanners are finally here. I can unplug that. It's safe. It's been a tough half term again, if I'm brutally honest. We've had massively high COVID rates. They are coming down now with us in school. Ukulele Club is back up and running. And I am trying to look forward to Christmas. And these two have definitely helped. But I suspect now that my birthday is finally going to have to finish as my birthday presents have finally arrived. In terms of the rambling, the house is in a mess. We're in a mess. I don't know whether it'll be done by Christmas or not. I've got this room a little bit more sorted now, so hopefully you will see a lot more of these absolutely stunning ukuleles, or bass ukulele and electric ukulele, very, very soon. There will be more Show Us Your Ukes. I've got a few things, like I've got to go back and have a better look at the lava U as well. And of course, I've been trying out new bass ukulele strings. So there is an awful lot going on, and I really do want to do something to sort of celebrate Christmas as well. I'll have a little think about that. So I do hope you've enjoyed. I'm sorry we've had to wait so long for these, considering I was winding you all up back in July. I wound myself up to the point of just like, I don't even know if they're ever going to arrive, but they are finally here, and I am hoping to have a lot more fun with them. So, Fanners, over and out. Rachel's Rambles number 7, it was only a very short one. Over and out. I do hope you've enjoyed that. As always though, if you do have a comment or a question, please feel free, leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.